Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm trying Antigravity to make building a website easier, so easy that even your grandma could do it. In this video, I'm starting from zero and testing how practical Antigravity actually is. Whether it's for a portfolio, a landing page, or a simple web project. You can tweak the prompt too. This time I'm going with React and Tailwind. Try to be as detailed as you can in the prompt, because the AI won't understand your expectations if you don't explain them clearly. There are a lot of AI models available in Antigravity, but I'm more comfortable using Claude Opus 4.5. What's crazy is that you only need to write a prompt, set the Antigravity directory, and it automatically builds the project and installs the libraries. Honestly, using Antigravity makes the whole development process feel way less stressful. You don't have to waste time setting things up from scratch, because it handles the boring parts for you. It really feels like you can focus more on your ideas instead of fighting with configurations. You just watch what it's doing, approve the terminal actions, and keep moving forward. The workflow feels smooth, simple, and surprisingly chill, especially for quick projects or experiments. So at this point, you literally just sit back and wait. Usually while waiting, I just grab some food or play Call of Duty Mobile. It's nice because I don't have to stare at the screen the whole time. I can relax a bit and let the tool handle the heavy work. By the time I'm done eating or playing, the project is already set up and ready to go. Alright, while this is running in the background, let me explain what's happening here. Nothing complicated, the tool is just doing its job automatically. This is the part where you don't really need to touch anything, just keep an eye on the process. It might look simple on the surface, but there's actually a lot going on behind the scenes. And honestly, this is exactly why I like using tools like this. It saves time and keeps everything smooth. Yesterday, I tried solving a CTF challenge on PicoCTF, and it turns out Antigravity can actually help solve it too. This part takes a bit too long, so I'll just skip ahead and show you the result. And just like that, the website is done, bitch. You can really push it further if you know what you want to build. Just be clear with your prompt, explain the structure, the style, and the features you need. The AI will follow your direction and handle the technical parts for you. At the end of the day, it's all about how well you communicate your idea. Wow, look at this website. It actually looks pretty good. Yippee! The animations it generates are also smooth and interactive. Honestly, I think this might be one of the best coding AIs out there. I think this tool is really suitable for people who want to build something quickly without sacrificing quality. It helps speed up the entire workflow, especially when you don't want to deal with repetitive setup or configuration. You can focus more on the idea, the design, and how the website feels, instead of worrying about technical details. Whether you're a beginner who's just starting out or someone with more experience, this kind of tool makes the whole process feel more efficient and enjoyable. Alright, That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations for future videos about cybersecurity, CTFs, AI, graphic design, or anything else, feel free to drop a comment below.